Hi, I'm Dan Scott, canine nutrition and home remedy specialist, and in this video I'll talk about my 3 favourite dog arthritis supplements and how they stop the pain of your dog's arthritis, and later how you can improve the underlying cause of your dog's arthritis to live much more free of this condition at any age and arthritic condition. If your dog suffers arthritic conditions, and especially if they're on vet-prescribed medications for the condition, I highly recommend you look at 3 natural alternatives that can be very effective, won't leave your dog with side effects, and won't be expensive like the vet. Arthritis is very common, especially in older dogs. Arthritis can happen in any joint, from the neck to the toes, and while it's mostly found in the hips and the elbows. The pain of arthritis can really have a deep impact on your dog's quality of life, but luckily there's 3 natural remedies that can make a big difference quickly. The major cause of arthritis in dogs is from inadequate diet. It doesn't give your dog all that they need to feed the cartilage and the joints, and over time they wear down, exposing the bone and causing great pain. Dogs on a raw food diet get all the nutrients they need from eating bones, but kibble-fed dogs get none of these benefits, but more on how you can help your kibble-fed dog later. The 3 major joint supplements are CBD oil, Greenlipped Mussels, and Glucosamine. These 3 nutrients can help lubricate your dog's joint fluid, offer some repair to damaged joint cartilage, and in the case of CBD oil, provide much pain relief and free up movement considerably. Glucosamine is an anti-inflammatory and a cornerstone of any arthritis treatment program. It's a natural nutritional supplement made from ground shellfish or microbial grain fermentation. Glucosamine occurs naturally in our dog's bodies and is a combination of glucose and amino acids glutamine. It produces what's called glycosaminoglycan, which is used as a lubricant to repair cartilage and joint tissues. Glucosamine has been very well established as an anti-inflammatory for dogs. Glucosamine is an amino acid that plays a vital role in production of cartilage and other joint tissues, and glucosamine must be used in conjunction with vitamins and minerals for maximum health benefits. Glucosamine supplementation increases the body's capacity to manufacture collagen and protectoglycans, which are vital for rebuilding joints and supporting synovial fluid, which lubricates the joints. And if you're not feeding your dog a raw food diet, then glucosamine is a very important supplement for joint support. And when combined with Greenlipped Mussel and organic hemp oil, you'll have a powerful combination of inflammation control. Glucosamine generally comes in powdered capsule form or as coated tablets. And make sure it's glucosamine sulfate from a quality brand, as many inferior brands use other binding agents as fillers, so you don't really get the correct amounts of glucosamine. Your dog needs about 200 milligrams per 10 pounds of lean body weight. Simply add to your dog's daily food. Glucosamine is safe if your dog's badly arthritic, and you can safely double that dose and continue supplementation for life. And it's proven very effective for arthritic dogs. Greenlipped Mussel is nature's anti-inflammatory for joint and arthritis relief. The Greenlipped Mussel, or GLM, comes from the waters around New Zealand and has been in use as a remedy by the Maoris for hundreds of years. GLM has only recently become popular in the West due to its highly beneficial anti-inflammatory properties. Half of all dogs over the age of 8 start to develop arthritis in their joints, and particularly the elbows, knees and hips. And traditional drugs are expensive and lead to distressing side effects, creating new problems in other parts of the body. GLM as a natural food source brings welcome relief. GLM can be obtained as an extract in powdered form, and the best brand will have been processed without heat extraction for better quality nutrients. A general rule of thumb is 150 milligrams of the powdered extract per 10 pounds of your dog's lean body weight. If you don't see improvement after 1 month of use, you'll need to up the amount by 25%, and as your dog's condition improves, you can lower the dose to the starting amount. Cannabidiol, or CBD oil, is one of the most remarkable components in nature. CBD oil has proven very effective for joint pain and inflammation. There are about 60 compounds specific to the cannabis plant called cannabinoids, and CBD is one of them, which hold the key to a variety of medicinal and therapeutic effects cannabis offers. Many dog owners report that within days, their arthritic, limping or in pain dog is greatly improved with freedom of movement and much reduced pain. There are also lots of reports of renewed energy, alertness and playfulness, especially in senior dogs with reduced anxiety, more calmness, appetite and reduced use of vet-prescribed drugs and less side effects. You may even notice that once your dog experiences the benefits, they'll happily encourage you for more. CBD comes in different amounts per bottle and depends on the strength needed. For dogs, you want it in the 300 to 500 milligram range per bottle. CBD is dispensed into your dog's food or can be given directly by mouth under the tongue. I recommend giving under your dog's tongue if that's possible, as it's more effective by this method, simply because it gets directly into your dog's bloodstream rather than eaten with food, which means your dog's liver will filter out some of its effectiveness. For dogs up to 20 pounds, give a quarter dropper. For dogs 20 to 50 pounds, give a half dropper. And for dogs over 55 pounds, give a whole dropper. If your dog's suffering acute arthritic conditions, and especially if they're on vet-prescribed medications for the condition, don't even second guess this natural alternative. Get a bottle, stop the meds, and treat with CBD, and you'll be amazed at its effectiveness without the side effects and expense of vet-prescribed medications. Raise the dose if you need to. It's safe and to find an effective level for longer-term use, and the side benefits are numerous. To restore your dog's health longer term and avoid the curse of so many day-to-day chronic health problems, it's important to boost your dog's current kibble diet, because it's diet that leads to so many dog health problems. In fact, 9 out of 10 chronic dog health problems are directly related to the diet they consume, and especially arthritis. That's why I created the Healthier Kibble Diet, to help kibble feeding dog owners reclaim their dog's health from the persistent health problems like arthritis that plague so many dogs. I found very little help out there for dog owners feeding a kibble-only diet. So from my 15 years of canine nutrition knowledge, I created a diet that in essence helps you know the right combination of supplements to add as a topper to your dog's kibble meals to boost their nutritional content. This changes things dramatically for your dog, simply by adding some essential extras your dog instinctively knows is good to eat. And once added, arthritis is greatly eased and supported ongoing, while other chronic health conditions such as diarrhea, allergies, infections, skin and coat problems, gastrointestinal issues can fade really quickly. It does this by strengthening your dog's immune system to speed up healing and prevent future illness. By combining a boosted kibble diet with the supplements I've discussed, your dog's condition will improve significantly. The sensitivity in your dog's joints goes way down, and they'll feel so much better, as you'll quickly notice. This is a great diet improvement for the kibble feeder that actually saves money, as veterinary costs are cut in half over time. You'll find a link below to a video explaining more about the Healthier Kibble Diet, and I'll also leave links to the 3 remedies so that you get the best quality options. And if you found this video useful, please remember to like it, share it with friends and subscribe, so you'll always be up to date on all the latest videos that I do. And until next time, I'll see you then. Bye for now.